Okay, we're back out here in the field. A lot of action going on down here. Got the equipment lined up. And there's a Volvo excavator. Got a hydraulic leak somewhere up in here. I'm gonna try to track that down and see what we can find out. You also got probably for the front end axle and that cab backhoe. Well, we'll get that one thing at a time. Let's work on this here excavator so you can track down that leaky line. Here's your tech tip of the day. If your swing arm is a little leak in your hydraulic system, you gotta come under here, drop this pan. The small little hose over here comes from the pump. Let's go back up top. All the way over here to this manifold. Here's your swing arm hose. You barely see it down in there. It's a hard one to get at, but it's the most common one to go when you're rotating this thing left to right. So there's your tech tip of the day from Papa Kenny's Workshop.